Guys, there are three things that have to be kept in mind. Number one is something called a natural number. Now, guys, who can tell me what natural numbers are?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please
Sir,
type.
natural number is what we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Brilliant.
And so on.
Good.
That is natural number.
Good. Yes, Ryan. Yes, Ryan. Go ahead.
Sir, numbers which start from 1 are natural numbers.
Good. Ryan, now tell me what are whole numbers. Stay unmuted. Tell me what whole numbers are. Everyone will get a chance.
So that includes 0. Sir, the numbers which start from 0 are whole numbers.
Good. Good. Satyam, you have something to say?
All natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Please unmute yourself, guys. Very good. All of you have a very good understanding about it. Now, listen to me. Let me just revise this concept for you guys, okay? Natural numbers, they are represented by the letter N. And how do they start? They start from 1, as all of you have told. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they keep going. Now, the other set that we were talking about was whole numbers, which all of you know again. Whole numbers are represented with W. And the only difference between natural and whole is the number 0. They start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they go on. Now, guys, natural numbers, these are positive natural numbers. Okay? Now, guys, can you tell me what 0 is? Is 0 a positive number or is 0 a negative number? I want answers pouring in. Is
No,
0
neither.
Not negative, not positive.
Good. So what is it called? Is there a term for it? All of you are giving
Special
good right
number.
answer. Pardon?
Special number.
Special number. Okay, good. And guys, for such short questions, please type in. Because if so many people unmute, you'll get a chance. But I will give you a chance when we discuss questions. These are small questions, so you can type in. Yes, good. So neither, special. Good. That is what I'm trying to say. So basically, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, guys, if there is a question that does not use the word or the phrase whole numbers, someone, in order to test how smart you are, can use something called non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers and whole numbers are the same. Does it make sense, guys? Is it clear why this is?
Yes, sir.
Someone, because most of the students know what whole numbers are, in order to confuse or to test how well you have understood something, I will not say whole numbers. I will say non-negative. Is it the same thing? Does it make sense? Is it clear? Is everyone clear with it? Neha, okay. Neha, I'm repeating for you. Natural numbers start from 1. Basically, natural numbers are the numbers you can count. You can count the number of pens you have. 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, anything that can be counted. So natural numbers are counting numbers, basically. Now, we have an introduction of something called 0. Because we introduced 0, a new set of numbers was born, which was called whole numbers. Whole numbers is nothing but 0 plus natural numbers. It is as simple as that. Is this clear now? Because of the introduction of 0, we got something new. Yes, Yashika?
So when all the numbers have place, why doesn't 0 have? Why does only 0 have a special place? Why can't there be?
Because
why doesn't 0 have?
Yeah, because Yashika, when something does not exist, you cannot count it. If I say there are 0 trees, Can you count? Can you see 0 trees? You can only see trees when they are there. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4 trees. Is it clear now? It cannot be counted. That is the reason natural numbers are called
Sir,
counting.
can I speak?
Yes, Pragya. Yashika, please move on.
So 0 is actually, there is a fact that 0 was created to balance out the negative and positive numbers, to create a barrier between these two numbers.
Right.
And that is why 0 is neither positive nor negative, as it is a barrier between negative and positive numbers.
Correct. Does the number line also show the same thing that you're telling me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So basically 0, if you look at 0 on the number line, it is something like a mirror, guys. Why is it something like a mirror is what I'm going to explain to you now. If I have a number line, guys, and I have 0 in between, anything to the right of 0 is all positive and anything to the left is all negative. So if I say -3 over here, what is the opposite of -3? If 0 is something that is like a mirror to you, what do you see over here? You see +3. Now, this is what Pragya was trying to tell me in the form of words. She was telling me it's a barrier which balances the two of them. Pragya, now what you told, I put it in the form of a diagram. I put it in the form of a picture. I used imagination. Is this clear now? Does this give you a better understanding?
So it's
Yes,
like
Ashik.
a wall between two rooms.
Yes, it's a wall. Now, because it's a wall, you have something on the opposite side, something on the left side, which are called negative numbers, and something on the right side, which are called positive numbers. Is it very simple and clear now? Is your imagination working so as to how things on the number line are there? Everything is derived from the number line. All numbers are derived from the number line, guys. It is no rocket science that is coming from somewhere. Can we go ahead now? Can we move ahead from here?